Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create an infographic on Canva. So you can search right here, or my infographic one is here. So search up infographic and select it, and it'll show up lots that you can choose from. So it's easier to create like an infographic one. This is like 5 easy steps how to apply makeup. So you can select the one, for instance this one, nighttime skin routine, and you want to change it to a daytime routine. But I think this one you have to like have the Canva Pro for it if you want to save it, I think. Or oh no, you can use this one. You can zoom in, and then you can then change the text. For instance, you want to change it to daytime skincare routine, cleanser, toner. I'm just going to change it, for instance, like sunscreen. You can even change the picture here and like the steps, and I think you can change like the decoration on that as well. And that's pretty much how you can create an infographic on Canva. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!